everyone! So today we will talk about the self-acceptance or pagtanggap sa sarili, kung paano natin mahalin, tanggapin kung sino man tayo.
Ang self-acceptance means tinatanggap mo ang sarili mo, including your strengths and weaknesses. Walang tinatago o kinakahiya.
Good morning, everyone. Now let's tackle about importance of self-acceptance. Importante po yung self-acceptance kasi po it help us build confidence and nagkakaroon po ng inner peace and mas nagiging totoo po tayo sa sarili natin. That's it.
For example po, kung may flaws ka or mistakes man na nagawa, instead of judging yourself po, dapat i-accept mo ito at gamitin as motivation to improve.
Way to practice. You can practice acceptance by being kind to yourself, avoiding too much comparison sa ibang tao, at appreciating your own uniqueness.
So remember, self-acceptance is the key to happiness. Kapag tinanggap mo ang sarili mo, mas magiging confident ka at masaya sa buhay.